Hey guys, what's up? Feeling like a kid in a candy store because today the iPhone 16 series has come out and I did get the Pro Max model. This is the natural titanium color, 256 gigabytes. Here goes nothing, guys. Here you go. Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh, oh man, that's beautiful, man. Every time I get a new iPhone, it's just, man, guys, I'm telling y'all, man, the experience of opening a new iPhone for the first time, it feels like you're opening jewelry. It's something that no other company can quite replicate, guys. I know I'm probably glazing right now, but it's whatever. Here's the phone. Wow. Got a braided USB Type-C cable. Okay, got a little wrap here. Wow, man. It's funny how iPhone packaging gets simpler every single year. It's really funny. See, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup, so. Alright. Let's take a quick look at this cable right here. Okay guys, so here we go. Here it is. So glad the iPhones are USB-C now. By the way, this is my first iPhone that is Type-C because right now I have a 12 Pro Max. Alright, here's the phone though. Wow. Wow, so first impressions right here, guys. Here you go. It's a beauty. It's a beauty, guys, for sure. My goodness. I definitely got the right color, y'all. So, alright, let's compare it with my 12 Pro Max. So, it's crazy because the battery life on this and everything, the screen's bigger and everything, but it feels substantially lighter than my 12 Pro Max. Substantially. It's because this uses stainless steel, this uses titanium. So, and it feels a lot more comfortable in the hand too, like at least without a case, because the edges are rounded, and then it's kind of like rectangular here. So, wow. Anyway, here we go. Looking at the sides. Okay, you got the action button right here, volume buttons right there. Trying to let y'all hear that. Power button. Okay, then here's the new thing. This is like a slider that you use when you operate the camera. You can change the aperture, white balance, things like that. It's crazy. It's just like a little slider. Can't wait to use that. Here's the speaker grill. I think the microphone's on the left side, speakers on the right. And then there's the little USB-C right there. And then you got the second speaker here. So, okay, start with the phone. Here we go. Man, this camera module though, so it's quite a bit bigger than the 12 Pro Maxes as well. Wow. So, okay, here we go. Hello. Going through the setup real quick. Okay, y'all. Default, keep it default. Quick start looking for, wow, okay. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this to set it up. It's fire. Okay, let's see it. Set up your new iPhone. Alright guys, so that's the end of the unboxing, and please subscribe because I will be pumping out a bunch of videos for how to transfer your previous iPhone stuff to this new iPhone, and the camera review, general review, audio review, all of that, guys. And so yeah, please subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.